What you saw on the thumbnail is not a clickbait, because in this video, I'm about to show you 3 businesses that will make you a millionaire in 2024. Yes, these businesses will make you multiple 6 figures every single month if you follow the guide I'm going to give you. So not only will I tell you what the businesses are, I'm going to show you step by step how to earn millions from this business. I will also show you people who are already earning massively from each and every one of this business. So you go on to follow them, learn from them, model what they do, and get the kind of results they get. The third one is my favorite, and that's because this particular business has earned me multiple 6 figures every single month. So yes, what I'm about to hand over to you is a blueprint that works. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if this is something you'd like to know, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. So without further ado, let me show you 3 creative businesses that will make you a millionaire in 2024. First one on my list is hot in demand product selling on hot platform. Yes, that is selling on TikTok. In case you didn't know, young people like you and I are earning millions every single day from this platform called TikTok. Yes, TikTok has gone beyond the platform where people go to make videos, do lip syncing and dance and go. It is actually a platform that is making millionaires on a daily basis off of ordinary people. Now, if you're not yet on this viral app called TikTok, you are late. TikTok has become the largest market where smart people use short, educating and entertaining videos to sell hot in-demand products. Look at this. This young lady here sells thousands of products on a daily basis. How did she start? She started by making a video about herself using a particular product. People loved the product. She offered to sell to them. From there, she moved to 2 products, and right now, she sells to people from different parts of the world, and she has succeeded in building branches in different countries. I can't tell you how much this lady makes on a daily basis from TikTok. Now, here are hot in-demand products you should be selling on TikTok. The first one is skincare. The next one is beauty product. You have shoes, hair extension. These products are selling massively. You can also grow your account, create digital products on how to grow social media accounts. That's yet another digital product that makes a lot of money on TikTok. The next thing in your mind is,
but I don't have this product. How do I start?
You don't need to have these products to get started. Here's what you need to do. First is to pick a niche. You need to go for one of these products. The second step is to go on and create and optimize your TikTok account for just that product. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a moment. Now, once you're done with account creation, the next step is to look for people who are selling this. It could be an importer or wholesaler or even manufacturers. You can find them online. Yes. So once you find them, probably the ones in your area, negotiate with them, get a discount or a bonus. Once you seal the deal, the next thing is to go to this business place and make tons of videos talking about this product. Just make sure that the background is showing tons of this product. This is one way to convince people that you have it. This way, people will easily trust you. The next step is to consistently give value. One way to get ideas of what to talk about is to follow successful people in your niche. Now, I know you would like to learn everything about this in details, especially how to grow your account really fast. And that's why I made this course here showing you exactly how this is done. This is a video course that shows you step by step how to start, grow, and monetize your TikTok account. Link to get this course is contained in the description of this video. So with this course, you don't have any excuse not to start making money on TikTok. Remember, your videos should be short, educating and entertaining. That's what we call edutainment. This is one way to get attention, sustain attention, and be able to market whatever you are selling to your target audience. The second business that will make you a millionaire in 2024 is coaching and digital product business. My goodness, this is something a lot of people have not understood how big and large this business is. This business is a multi-billion industry. That is to say that you can make as much money as you want from this business. An interesting thing is, it doesn't require a lot to get started. Basically, as a coach, what you do is to teach people what you already know, what you have done over the years and gotten results in. So you're basically sharing your knowledge, experience, skills with people who are in need of this. So chances are you are extremely talented and you've got a lot of results in this particular thing you do, but you're not making money from it yet. Tell me why. Now it's time you get started, because there are millions of people out there who are willing to pay you premium for this knowledge, skills, and experience you have. Coaching and digital product goes hand in hand, in the sense that when you become a coach, over time you need to start creating digital products that will help your audience get the result you promised them. This coaching could be on any topic: relationship, business, career, teen, fitness and weight loss, just anything, so long as you have result in that thing. So let's use a real example. You are a fitness coach. You teach people everything about weight loss, keeping fit, eating healthy, and all of that. You have about 2,000 people following you, 2,000 people who look up to you, who learn from you on a daily basis. Because you're very good at what you do, you have results that people can see, and you consistently give value. Over time, you come up with a coaching program, which could be a one-on-one coaching or a group coaching program. So let's say you price this at 20K and you have only 50 people sign up. That's 1 million naira made in just 1 month. And then you take it a step notch by creating a digital product. This digital product, you decide to price it as low as 2,000, and you're able to get 100 people pay you for this product, 200,000 naira from this product. That's a total of 1.2 million naira raised in a very short time. Now you see the possibilities, right? The next question is, how do you start? The first step is to pick a profitable niche. Now, you need to know that all niches are not profitable. So you need to go for something people are ready to learn and willing to pay you for. In case you don't have the skills, it is still early. Go on and learn the skill. The second step is to create an optimized account for this particular niche. Remember, optimized account, so people get to see you easily and then you build community faster. And the next is to start creating valuable content on this particular thing. It is super easy to build massive audience that's loyal to you when you learn how to create content. As always, I will advise you follow people who are already doing well in your niche. There's so much to learn from them, and you also know what works and what doesn't work. Next step is to invest in visibility promotion. Yes, there's a limit to what you can do with organic growth. So the best way to do this fast and be able to make money as soon as possible would be to go for visibility. There are two ways to go about this visibility. The first one would be to go for Facebook and Instagram ads. The second one would be to go for influencer marketing. The next step is to create a digital product for your community. Now, here comes the third and my favorite. Like I already said, this particular business has earned me multiple six figures every single month. So yes, it works. That is basically building an online community. Guys, online community is a money spinner. A lot of people do not know this. The reason is because we are social animals. We always love and enjoy company of people with similar interests. So yes, there's a lot of money in online community. Trust me when I say that this business idea is very profitable. But the thing is, you need to have something to offer, a profitable business, skills, or just anything that people are interested in. This is actually what will bring the people to join the community, and is also what will make you the money. So I have a full community with over 21,000 members, and this community has been a blessing. Now, when it comes to succeeding and making a lot of money from online community, you need to have a business or a skill that people are interested in. As a matter of fact, it is this skill or the business that you have that people are going to give you money in exchange for. Once you map out something you need to offer that a lot of people are interested in, the steps to get started would be to first start by creating engaging and entertaining content around this particular niche. The next step would be to drive the traffic to your own community. One amazing thing about community is that once you get people's interest and they join the community, in your community, you are the boss. You are the one that decides what happens, and you can sell to them over and again and again. How do you get started? Show up online with valuable content consistently. When people begin to show interest in what you do, you need to build a community where you drive the traffic to. In this community, you need to consistently, on a daily basis, give them value. You need to be smart enough to know what to give for free and what to tag a price on. This way, you'll be able to pique their interest to a point they give you money for the premium content. Now, once you start growing your community, there are so many ways you can make money from your community. The first would be to sell to your audience non-stop. Yes, because it's your community, you can actually promote anything you want anytime to them. And because you give value, they will always buy from you, because you have, through your content, shown them that you are an expert and authority in what you do. So if you're a baker or you are a cook, you can actually create online community around this. If you consistently give them valuable tips, when you promote something that's related to your business, you will get a lot of people give you money for that. Another way you can also make money from community is to do promotions. There are a lot of businesses and brands out there that are partnering with community admins right now to promote to their audience. And of course, you can also use your community to grow your other platforms. So that is it. These are 3 unique ways you can earn in millions in 2024, working from the comfort of your home. So let me know, did you get value from this video? Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.